Hello YouTube, this is Mila with how to do it with Embellishments. Now today I woke up feeling fabulous, so since I started my blog I said that I would alternate every other week with a YouTube video. So this is what I'm going to be doing with my first official video with how to with Embellishments. I just wanted to just show off and my little notebook that says wake up and be awesome. So that is my motto for today. I woke up to be awesome. That's how we're gonna go with it. Anyway, enough with the rambling. We're about to hit the fall season. We are in September. Kids going back to school. Foliage will be turning soon, and of course, everyone that loves Halloween wants to start super early with their Halloween decorations. Now, when my kids were younger, I used to do more of like the spooky, type of Halloween decor. But now that my kids are older and like my youngest is about to be 16, I'm doing more of a glam Halloween decor for my home this year. So I based the theme on the house to be skeletons. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of glam skeletons and pumpkins. I'm not gonna be doing too much of any other type of spooky like witches and stuff like that. Maybe I'll incorporate it in the future, but for now I think that starting off with just a few glam pieces sporadically in the house will give it the Halloween feel without it feeling too cartoony, if that's the right word. But please let me know your thoughts, what you're going to be doing this Halloween. Are you doing something similar like the glam? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, as they say all the time. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a voiceover of my project. Okay, guys, let's get to it. There's a skeleton and an assortment of pumpkins. I went ahead with the skeleton. Here are my embellishments from Dollar Tree, Amazon, and Walmart. If you choose to paint yours, these are the colors I would have chosen if I did it. And then, of course, the glue sticks and glue gun. Here we go. So I know this is a pretty awful shot because you can't see every single little thing that I'm doing. But I promise you, you don't have to copy me exactly because I'm just pretty much free-flowing. So the best advice that I can give to you in order for you to be able to decide the placement of your embellishment is just to have all your embellishments organized. Have your sequins ready, have your glitter ready, have your pearls ready, have your diamond studs ready. Have everything that you want to use in front of you. That way it's just a matter of you picking and choosing or taking away, So that's pretty much the secret that I can share with you as to what I did. And of course, I'm going to slow down just a little bit so you can see what I did. I did use the pin cushion that I used to transform my headboards. I have a couple of those left over, so I figured instead of using the pearl like Pure One did, I used the diamond pin cushion, which I really love how it looks. Here's another slow shot. See, it's just coming along just fine. I'm adding them in no particular order. I'm just going with it. And eventually you're going to see that when I stop, it's because I'm pretty much satisfied with everything. I really love my assortments and all my embellishments. I want to give a great shout out to Amazon, because Amazon, I've been a customer for so many years. And Dollar Tree and Walmart, of course. But Amazon is my heart. Everyone knows. But it depends on your budget. Here's the finished skull. Doesn't she look fabulous? My goodness. And that's how she looks on the centerpiece on my dining room table. Now the lighting is off and you can't see the beauty, but she is absolutely beautiful. And of course, if you had a smaller budget, you can definitely do this all out of Dollar Tree products. I hope you really enjoyed my video and I enjoyed showing you how to do this. Take care.